Hey everybody, so tonight I'm making a ham, and with the ham I'm going to make a Prepper Pantry hash brown casserole. So what I have here is dehydrated potatoes, hash browns. It's going to be a hash brown casserole. I have some water boiling here, and we are going to pour that over our hash browns and rehydrate them. You're going to want a can of cream of chicken soup and some sour cream. You can use your sour cream powder if you don't have regular sour cream. You're going to want bacon. I'm going to use the real bacon bits. Otherwise, you can cook 3 or 4 pieces of bacon and crumble it up. You can use dehydrated green onion, which I do have, but I have some fresh. And you can use granulated garlic, but I minced up a garlic clove. So I have green onion and garlic clove. And then any kind of cheese you want. So you can use your freeze-dried shredded cheddar, some Velveeta, some whatever you have, or you can leave the cheese out. So I'm going to let these rehydrate, and when it's rehydrated, I'll come back and we'll put this together. Okay, so we're going to drain the water off of our potatoes, and this bowl's kind of hot.
I mean, turn the heat on. I'm going to change it that filter.
I'm recording. Bowl is so hot. Dump those in there. I'm going to mix my soup. Isn't it funny with husbands, you can sit here all day doing other things, no recording, and all of a sudden they're going to change filters and do all kinds of random things. Hopefully that all fits in the casserole I picked out. I'm going to add some sour cream. If you use a clean spoon, no double dipping, like if you do a baked potato and you touch your potato, don't go back in the sour cream. Your sour cream will last much longer. Same with cheese. Don't stick your hand in your bag of cheese. And that stuff will last. So approximately equal parts of soup to sour cream. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to find what cheese I'm going to use. That up really well. We're going to add some salt and pepper. That needs a refill. going to add our garlic, our green onions, and I used about 2 cups of the dehydrated potatoes. You can also use frozen hash browns if you can find them. 1 bag. Start mixing everything up. Gonna add bacon. The rest of that package. About a half a package left. And I'm going to get some cheese. I'll be right back. Okay, I got one of these little blocks of Velveeta, and it would help if you refrigerate it first. So I'm going to run it across my grater. This is how I make that cheese dip that I like so much. You have to grate it. Velveeta seems softer these days than normal. Or you could just dice it up, whatever you want to do. Or you could use cheddar, or your freeze-dried, or whatever. Don't try and put this in your food processor, it won't work. I'm going to wash my hands. Mix this up. Okay, so now we are going to butter our casserole, or you can spray it. Oh, I have a softened one right here. Excuse me. Save all your butter wrappers, keep them in a baggie in the refrigerator, and you can use them for stuff like this, baking and whatnot. And we're going to put our mixture I hope you all are stocking up. The ports have been locked down in that other country that stuff comes from. Trains are being robbed with the cargo containers on them. So, and people are stalking you when you're at the grocery store and robbing you later. So be very careful. Get what you need while you can. And then we are going to top this. You can use potato chips, you can use corn flakes, you can use breadcrumbs, you can use cheese, you can use anything you want, or nothing at all. So okay, I have these cornflake crumbs. You can use regular cornflakes and just crunch them up. You could use cracker crumbs, whatever you have. And that's it. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees until golden and bubbly, and it's ready. So I will show it to you when we're plating up our dinner. Okay, everybody, my dinner's done. We got our hash brown casserole, and I just dotted it with the rest of that cheese. We've got collard greens and ham. Here's my plate. So I'm going to try the potato casserole. I already know it's good because I make it all the time. But I wanted you to see you can make it with your pantry staples and still have the food you're used to having. So let me blow this because I know it's going to be smoking hot. So yummy. Got a little bit of a crunch on the top from the cornflakes. It's creamy, savory. It's yummy. So give that a try. If you have the dehydrated hash browns, you can make a hash brown casserole with your cream soups, onions, your bacon bits, and have a luscious side dish with any meal. Actually, you can have it with breakfast, you can have it with lunch, dinner, whatever you want. So there is our hash brown casserole. So please like, comment, subscribe, stay safe, stay healthy, be careful this weekend. We got a lot of weather moving through, and I will see you all in the next video.